Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on permanently deleting photos and videos on your Samsung device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you delete photos and videos from your phone's gallery, they are not fully deleted, but are moved to a trash folder. They will be kept there for 30 days and will then be permanently deleted. If you want to permanently delete them immediately rather than waiting for them to be deleted in 30 days' time, here is what to do. Open the Gallery app on your phone and go to the Albums section. Then tap the three lines button in the bottom right. Tap Recycle Bin from the menu that appears. This is where all of the photos and videos that you delete go before being permanently deleted. At the bottom of each image, it says how many days it has left before it will be deleted. Hold down on the image that you would like to delete. You can tap to select multiple images to delete here if you like. Then tap Delete All in the bottom right. You can also permanently delete everything in your recycle bin at once by tapping the three dots button in the top right and then tapping Empty. Tap Empty Recycle Bin on the pop-up. If you don't want your photos and videos to be moved to the recycle bin when you delete them, but instead want them to be immediately deleted, you can disable the recycle bin altogether. I don't recommend this though, because if at some point you delete a photo or video by mistake, there will be no way to get it back. If you are sure you want to disable your recycle bin, go to the Albums section of the gallery and tap on the three lines button in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, switch the toggle off to the right of Recycle Bin, and then tap Turn Off on the pop-up. Note that any photos or videos that are currently in your recycle bin will be deleted when you disable it. Now, when you delete photos or videos, they will be permanently deleted immediately. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.